Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepared these tasty potato buns. It is soft, fluffy, and delicious. Just keep watching. So let's get started. In here I have 2 potatoes and half cup of water. So I turn on the heat. I pour the water in the saucepan, then chop the potatoes into small chunks and throw them into the saucepan. So cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes depending on your stove. Now it is soft and tender. I'm going to blend them with this mini food processor. You can use potato mash to mash your potato puree. I feel comfortable with this mini robot. So as you can see, the potato puree is ready. So for the dough, I have all the ingredients here. You can check on the description box below for the list of these ingredients. I will start by mixing the salt into the flour. Mix them thoroughly, then set it aside. In here, I have a clean mixing bowl. So I will start by pouring in the milk. This is a warm milk. To it, I will add the potato water. This is the water that I got from cooking the potato. So the rest of the water is what I use. Now I add the egg to it and the yeast. I'm going to give it a quick stir, then add the sugar. Stir it well. Now I'm going to add the potato puree. As you can see, this is the potato puree that we blended. I will mix it in, and now the flour mixture. With my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix them until they are well combined. As you can see, this dough is light, but don't worry. I'm going to add the butter. Before I transfer the dough to the work surface, I first of all dust it. If your dough is too sticky like mine, feel free to add more flour to it. Finally, I added half cup of flour. But be careful, don't add too much flour, because the more lighter the dough becomes, the more fluffy the buns will look and yummy. We don't want a very strong, we want a chewy buns. So finally, look at the dough. Everything has come together and formed a nice, soft, elastic dough, as you can see. So for the proofing, in here I have a clean mixing bowl. I'm going to grease it with vegetable or cooking oil of your choice. Then I will transfer the dough to it. Grease the dough at the same time. Cover it with a plastic wrap. Once we cover it with the plastic wrap, we are going to transfer it to a warm environment and proof it for about 30 to 1 hour depending on the temperature of your room. Once it is double in size, it is good to go. 45 minutes later, here is the dough double in size. So I'm going to open it, punch out the air and start working. So at this point, I'm going to shape the dough. Just watch me as I proceed. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all of you that are watching this video and my returning subscribers. You people are so amazing. Thank you for your wonderful support, for watching my videos, liking them, and commenting nicely. May the Lord bless you. If you're new here, consider yourself you are at the right place. In my channel, you'll know more about baking and cooking and other DIY tutorial. At the end of this very video, consider to give me thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. God bless you as you do so. As you can see, with the help of my dough cutter, I divide half of the dough into 8 pieces. I'm going to roll them in a ball-like shape, like so. Here I have baking sheets, greased and lined up with parchment paper. I'm going to place each dough, spacing them out like so. Just watch me. Once I'm through, I'm going to apply the cooking spray. I'll repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. Now I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap and place it in a warm environment for final proofing. At this time, it will rest for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the temperature of your room. As you can see, guys, it's looking so lovely, risen double in size. I'm going to apply the egg wash. For the egg wash, I have 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix them well, and that is it. After applying the egg wash, I'm going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven. Oh my lovelies, take a look at this. Our potato buns are fully baked and golden brown in color. It is so fluffy, soft, yummy, tasty. My dear, give it a try at home and you will enjoy it. Only the aroma itself is so inviting. Thank you so much for staying till now. I appreciate you all for coming. God bless you. Don't forget to give me thumbs up at the end of this video. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Mwah.